Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel again. I told you I had one more unboxing to do, and I am just thrilled to share with you a bag that just came out with Coach, and I was glad that I was able to get my hands on it. So before we do, I want you guys to do me a favor as always. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe to my channel and help follow and support me. And for the ones that do, I'm going to give you a virtual hug and a kiss. Thank you so much. So let's get started. So this is a large Coach Rowan bag that I ordered. While I unbox it, I'll just tell you. It reminds me of the Speedy, the Rowan does. And you know, guys, that I do love the Speedy. So I just wanted to give it a try and just kind of see, you know, and it's such a beautiful color. It is got roses and it's leather, black leather with the beautiful raised roses on it. So yeah, let's just finish unboxing and then we'll just go into talking all about it. So it is a new bag that just came out, and I was very scared the day that I ordered that they were going to run out, because usually when I'm trying to order a bag, by the time I get everything in my cart, they're telling me something has gotten away from me. So I'm very proud to have this beauty here. So let me cut this and go ahead and okay. So this is the leather strap that comes with the large Rowan. It has beautiful gold tone hardware. The strap is adjustable, and the hardware is just beautiful. This is the hardware here. It's so pretty. And this is the big beautiful bag here. It has a zipper on the back, and the pocket feels like nylon. Like I said, the whole bag is black leather, and it has beautiful raised roses on it, red roses in different sizes. Some of them, they have the petals also raised on them as well. It's just really pretty. And the handles are thick leather. It has the Coach emblem, Coach tag emblem. It has two zippers to open. The zippers slide very well. It has the gold tone Coach logo on it, name on it. And when you open it, I'm just going to take the paper out so we can see everything. I do think it's strange that it didn't come with a dust bag. That's a bummer that it didn't come with a dust bag. I'm very disappointed about that, but oh well. Okay, I got all the paper and stuff out. Comes a little card, as always, to tell you how to take care of it. A little barcode in case you want to scan it with your phone. It has a wide open area, and then it has a zipper with the Coach emblem on it that tells about it. And then it has another button pocket here. And the zipper has the leather pull, and then the side that has the button pocket has a leather strip on it, brown strip. The interior looks like a beautiful brown interior. And then, like I said, you can either wear it as a top handle, which is how I'll probably wear mine. Or you can wear it like a Speedy bandolier and put the adjustable strap on it. And either wear it as a crossbody, or you can wear it over the shoulder, like over the shoulder maybe. So as far as the Speedy, this is my Speedy 30 in monogram, and it's very similar in size to it. Very similar in size. So very similar in size. It's some differences as far as the Speedy versus the Large Rowan. This one does have foot bottoms on it. This one has an outside zipper. This is leather and this is canvas. So when you open it up, this is an older Speedy, so this is not the Speedy bandolier. The Speedy bandolier would have two zippers on it, so this is just one zipper because it's the regular Speedy. And this one is more like the bandolier, and it has two zippers. So those are some comparisons with the Louis Vuitton Speedy. But it's a very, very beautiful bag, and it looks like it'll last a very long time, to be honest. It's just really beautiful, and I don't know. I might wear this one very soon, so we'll see. So tell me what you think, guys. Yay or nay? Did you go out and make that splurge and get one? Tell me what you think. What are some pros and cons? What would be a discouragement as far as getting this bag versus this bag, the Louis Vuitton monogram, which, you know, I'm sorry, I'm a sucker for the Louis Vuitton Speedies, and I don't think that any bag could replace a Speedy. But what are your take on it? So let me know that. Am I isolated in that opinion? So yeah, tell me what you think. And until then, I want you guys to, as always, have a wonderful and blessed evening. Mwah.